In this video, I will show you how to use the green screen effect on the CapCut app or how to use Chroma Key to remove the green screen on CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. Open the CapCut app on your mobile phone. Tap on New Project. Select your background video from your gallery. Tap on Add. After selecting your background, tap on Overlay at the bottom of the screen. Click on Add Overlay. Select your green screen video to add it on top of the background. Let's play them together. Select the overlay video or your green screen footage in the timeline. Scroll through the tools at the bottom and find the Remove Background option. Tap on Chroma Key. Use the color picker tool to select the green color in your overlay video. Adjust the intensity slider to increase or decrease how much of the green is removed. You can also use shadows to make it blend better with the new background. Adjust the position and size of your overlay video as needed. You can resize it by pinching or dragging with 2 fingers. Play back your project in CapCut to see how well the green screen effect has been applied. Once satisfied with your edits, tap on Export to save your video. By following these steps, you can easily create engaging videos using green screen effects in CapCut.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.